Hello viewers, I'm back again. Welcome to my channel. You can see how this is in the morning. You can see how these birds lay egg in the morning. There is something I want to let you know about poultry. What is the process of egg production in poultry in Nigeria? It's like the process is like when you brood your birds, it reaches 3.5 months from the place. You can bring it and put it inside the poultry cage here. Once you put it inside the poultry cage, from that 3.5 months, because you have already exposed it to the light, then you make sure up here, you can see up here is airing, this side is open, and here is open completely. There is nothing. This environment is being fenced. You make sure here is open. The place you are keeping the bird is open, and there is no heat along the place. And the birds have a lot of weight, and the birds feed well. Before you know what is going on, the birds will start laying egg. And when they start laying egg, and it will start from, like some of the birds will start from 23, from 23 to 28 hours, the period of their laying. When they start from 23 to 24 hours, you can get some of the birds will be laying more than the others. Like those that are starting from 23 hours, some are laying low, like those on 28 hours. But averaging, some people will say that it's 26 hours. That one is okay. Then when it started laying the eggs, you continue feeding it. That's why I want to know the process of it to start laying. It starts from 23 to 27 hours. You can see now, for them to drop these eggs now, these eggs you are seeing now, is about, these two may be from 23 or 25 hours, and these four here, they drop this tray now. One may even delay. The one that delay may come from 28 hours. Then this one can be 28 hours. It depends on the range of the birds. All of them will not drop egg the same hours, but it will not pass more than 28 hours. They will surely drop. Within a year, this bird is a nice breed. Within a year, they are going to drop up to, let me call it, more than 300 eggs. Because if you have a poultry cage and be feeding it, you'll be counting the eggs. You will record that they are going to give you more than 300 eggs, each of them, in 12 calendar months. I hope you enjoyed this channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.